Hello students, let's continue chapter 17th of science of class 7th, that is forest, our lifeline. When children were going back, it started raining. However, surprisingly, they saw that the raindrops were not hitting the forest floor directly. The uppermost layer of the forest canopy intercepted the flow of raindrops, and most of the water was coming down through the branches and the stems of the trees. From the leaves, it was dripping slowly over branches of the shrubs and herbs. Students, you can see in this figure, they found that the ground was still dry. After about half an hour, the rain stopped. They noticed that the layer of dead leaves over the forest floor appeared wet now, but water did not stagnate in the forest. स्टूडेंट्स, जब रेन हो रही थी तो चिल्ड्रन ने ये नोटिस किया कि फॉरेस्ट फ्लोर बिल्कुल भी गीला नहीं हुआ है. मोस्ट ऑफ रेन वाटर ब्रांचेज एंड स्टेम के थ्रू नीचे आ रहा है. और चिल्ड्रन ने ये भी नोटिस किया कि जब रेन रुक गई तो फॉरेस्ट में कहीं भी पानी इकट्ठा नहीं हुआ है. फॉरेस्ट का फ्लोर हल्का गीला दिखाई दिया है. जैसे सिटी में बारिश के बाद में जगह जगह पर पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है, लेकिन फॉरेस्ट में ऐसा नहीं होता है. So Professor Ahmed told them that the forest also acts as a natural absorber of rainwater and allows it to seep. It helps maintain the water table throughout the year. Forests not only help in controlling floods but also help maintain the flow of water in the streams so that we get a steady supply of water. On the other hand, if trees are not present, rain hits the ground directly and may flood the area around it. Heavy rain may also damage the soil. Roots of tree normally bind the soil together, but in their absence, the soil is washed away or eroded. Eroded means धीरे धीरे सोइल का डैमेज हो जाना. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ट्री नहीं होंगे तो हैवी रेन के बाद फ्लड आ सकता है. हैवी रेन सॉइल को डैमेज कर देता है. ट्री के जो रूट्स होते हैं वो सॉइल को बाइंड करके रखते हैं, मीन्स सॉइल को इकट्ठा बांध कर रखते हैं, जिससे कि सॉइल डैमेज नहीं होती है. सो वी कैन से फॉरेस्ट प्रिवेंट सॉइल इरोजन. The children spent an hour at Tibbu's village on their way back. The weather of the village was quite pleasant. Villagers told them that due to the surrounding forest, they received good rainfall. The air also remained cool. Noise pollution too is less because the forest absorbs the noise of the nearby highway. चिल्ड्रन ने ये भी नोटिस किया कि जो विलेज की एयर है वो बहुत कूल थी क्योंकि उसके आसपास फॉरेस्ट था. ट्रीज़ नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन को भी कंट्रोल करते हैं क्योंकि ट्रीज़ साउंड वेव को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. द चिल्ड्रन लर्नड अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द विलेज. इट सरप्राइज देम दैट द विलेजेस एंड द एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स ऑफ that area were created after clearing the forest about 60 years ago. Tibbu's grandfather told them that when he was young, the village was not as large as it was now. It was also surrounded by forests. Construction of roads, buildings, industrial development, and increasing demand of wood created pressure on the forest and it started vanishing. He was not happy that the forest adjoining their village is not regenerating and is on the verge of disappearing due to overgrazing of animals and indiscriminate felling of trees. Professor Ahmed said that if we did things wisely, we could preserve forest and environment as well as have development. सो टिब्बू ने बताया कि उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने बताया था कि पहले विलेज इतना बड़ा नहीं था। उसके बाद जब रोड बनी, बिल्डिंग्स बनी, इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट हुआ और वुड की डिमांड बढ़ने से फॉरेस्ट की कटिंग स्टार्ट हो गई और उसका एरिया, विलेज का एरिया बढ़ गया और फॉरेस्ट कम होते चले गए। प्रोफेसर अहमद ने बोला कि हमें डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ फॉरेस्ट को भी प्रिजर्व करना है। मीन्स फॉरेस्ट को भी बचाना है और डेवलपमेंट भी करना है। Forest provide us with oxygen. Next, they protect soil and provide habitat to a large number of animals. Forest help in bringing good rainfall in neighboring areas. They are a source of medicinal plants, timber, and many other useful products. We must preserve our forests. Bujo thought, what would happen if forest disappear? स्टूडेंट्स, तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि अगर फॉरेस्ट नहीं होंगे तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? इफ फॉरेस्ट disappear, the amount of carbon dioxide in air will increase, resulting in the increases of Earth's temperature. In the absence of trees and plants, the animals will not get food and shelter. In the absence of trees, the soil will not hold water, which will cause floods. Deforestation will endanger our life and environment. Think what we can do to preserve our forest. स्टूडेंट्स, इस पिक्चर में तुम देख सकते हो कि फॉरेस्ट कट करके फैक्ट्री लगाई गई है एंड फैक्ट्री से जो स्मोक निकल रहा है वो एयर में मिक्स होगा और एयर इम्प्योर हो जाएगी, जो हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है। और इस पिक्चर में तुम देख सकते हो कि जब फॉरेस्ट है तो एनिमल्स हैं, बर्ड्स हैं, मॉन्की हैं, और जब ट्री ही नहीं रहेंगे तो ना एनिमल्स होंगे, क्योंकि एनिमल्स को ना फूड मिलेगा और ना उनको शेल्टर मिलेगा। और अगर फॉरेस्ट नहीं होगा, ट्रीज़ नहीं होंगे, तो वाटर एब्जॉर्ब भी नहीं होगा, हैवी रेनफॉल होगा तो फ्लड आने के चांस ज़्यादा होंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे सबसे यह क्लियर होता है कि फॉरेस्ट से ट्रीज़ की कटिंग करना हमारी लाइफ के लिए और हमारे एनवायरनमेंट दोनों के लिए डेंजर है। Students, I hope you have understood the importance of forest. Forest is a natural habitat for a large number of plants and animals. Forests help in maintaining the oxygen and carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere. Forests help in bringing good rainfall. Forests help to protect soil from erosion. Forest absorb rainwater and helps to maintain water table. We get medicinal plants, timber, and many other useful products from forest. Many people live in forest and forests provide them with food, water, shelter, and medicines. Students, what can we do to preserve our forest? A few things we can also do to help. First, share information. Second, join organization. Third, reduce the use of artificial items, recycle more and reuse items. There is a fun way to remember the most important points in forest preservation called trees, which means T means teach. Teach others about the importance of the environment and how they can help save rainforest. R means restore. Restore damaged ecosystems by planting trees on land where forests have been cut down. Encourage people to live in a way that does not hurt the environment. Establish parks to protect rainforest and wildlife. Support companies and operate in ways that minimize damage to the environment. establish parks to protect rainforest and wildlife, support companies that operate in ways that minimize damage to the environment. Students, this is the end of today's session and chapter 17th of science has completed. That is, forests are lifeline. Now we will meet again. Up till then, thank you.